guys, this is Jason with BounceWater Sales, showing off our 15-foot Baja Splash. Really good looking unit here with red, blues and grays, as you can see, some green, 3D image palm trees. Red liners really make it pop. Crossbars with some yellow. Very vibrant, very lively colors on the unit. Again, really large pool. Double lane center climb, as you can see how wide our double lane slides are. Plenty of room. Foot pads on the side make the slide look a little bit wider, a little bit bulkier than what it is. But as you can see, just a great looking unit. If you want something in your inventory that'll rent very well, give a big splash, a lot of pop and a lot of colors, this is the one. Call BounceWater Sales at 813-947-5002.